purpose of the hand heel rocks exercise is to teach your low back to move separately from your hips. When performing the movement, start in an all fours position and rock your hips directly back towards your heels. On the way up, keep your spine in a neutral position. A great cue to think about when performing this movement is imagine that there's a foam roller or doll across your low back. This cue will keep your low back in a neutral position throughout the entirety of the movement. A second cue to consider is widening through the hips as you lower back into the movement. This can be achieved by drawing in the lower abdominals as you sink deeper and deeper into the motion. This movement is so fundamental because it mimics the mechanics of a squat, which is a more advanced movement for your lower back. Two common misalignments to consider are first, rounding through the low back as you perform the movement. While rounding through the back is not bad, with this one we want to keep the spine in a neutral position. The opposite of that is overarching to the low back. Again, avoid dropping into your core while performing this motion. A few final tips to remember: keep your core engaged deep into the movement and widen through the hips. Make sure your low back stays in a neutral position the entire time. For this movement, perform 2 sets of 15 repetitions. And remember, if you have pain or an increase in symptoms, stop or modify the exercise.